Hi friends, welcome back to Arc Tutorials. This is JavaScript interview question answer series. Today's question is absolute basic and for beginners. Remember, if you are a junior developer or someone with mid-level experience and attending any front-end engineering kind of role, you will be bound to ask this question. This is part of both JavaScript or on a broader section they may categorize it as ES6 or ES5. The idea here is that the interviewer wants to know if you know the concept of objects and you know how to clone an object. So the question today is, how do you clone an object? And the answer is simple. We can do it in multiple ways. One of the way I'm showing you, which is object.assign. When you do that, you can assign a particular object's properties to a new object, right? So you're basically cloning it, right? Let me show you that in action. Alright, so let's create an object first and let's call it say anything for now, right? Student, say name, ABC, say ID 10, say department, say ops, right? So simple object, nothing fancy. Now I'll create a new and I'll say new, right? So here now we will say object dot assign, right? And here we'll say empty and I'll say student. So what I'm basically doing here is that assigning this particular object to new student. Let me show you that. And just do a new student console log and you should see the output here. So refresh and you will see the object logged, which is same as that of the previous object, right? Now let's do some modification for it, right? And what do I mean by that? Let's say intermediate state equal to, let's say I already have something, right? Here I'll say say percentage, right? And I'll say, let's say 65, right? So I have an intermediate state. Now what I'm going to do, so now I'm assigning intermediate state and student both to new student. So the expected output now is that we should have it all the four properties into new student. Let's see that. So now you see percentage, name, ID and department. So we are able to clone as well as at the same time assign then the combination, right, which is nothing but concatenation of two objects to one, right? So this is one of the way that you can give an example when you are asked about object assignment or object cloning or how do you club a particular objects. Very interesting because there can be a lot of variations of questions around this, so make sure you prepare really well on this particular topic. Again, if you have any doubts, drop comments in the comment section and I'll be happy to answer them. Thank you so much for watching. Keep learning, keep growing.